To access the new Fridge 3.0, you'll need 2 keys, one blue camlock key and one gold Jafamar key. To open the exterior door, you'll use the gold Jafamar key and then just turn it and pops open. To open the Jafamar, you'll need to use the blue camlock key, insert, push in, turn left to open the door, and use the reverse order to lock it. Left, push in, and pull out. To close the exterior door, just swing it closed and push it shut. To stock the Sundries, pull sliding tray out, slide back, and stock with forks, spoons, and boats. To load the boats, first load the sliding tray, then slide up and stock more boats in the lower portion. Once Sundries are fully stocked, slide tray back in, and Sundries are stocked and full. The new garbage can is located in the bottom. You can slide it all the way out, stand it up, and remove the cover to place a garbage bag. To reinstall, just pick it up, line it up, and roll it back into place.